today we're going to be looking at how to start affiliate marketing. Okay, and we're going to give you like a step-by-step process of how you can get started with affiliate marketing very easily and for free. Okay, so it's not actually going to cost you a penny to get started. So stay tuned right to the very end of this. I'm also going to give you where you can go and get ongoing free training about affiliate marketing for free as well. So stay tuned right to the very end of this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's crack on and let's go through how to start affiliate marketing. We're going to give you this step-by-step process of how to start affiliate marketing. The first step is you've got to find out what it is you're going to actually be promoting. Now, how I would suggest you do this, there are three main areas that work really well with affiliate marketing, and that is health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, so any of those anything that falls within those categories is probably going to work really well. What I would suggest you do is probably niche down within one of those sectors. For argument's sake, I obviously do a lot of videos about making money online, so obviously that is in the wealth sector, and then I've narrowed down in that. Okay, so that is the first thing you've got to actually choose. Now, I would choose something that, one, you may already know stuff about, or you're even really interested in it, because otherwise you're not going to really promote it that well. And obviously with affiliate marketing, it is all about promoting other people's products. So you're not going to have to actually produce anything yourself, but it's really good if you've got obviously an inclination about what's going on within the niche, or you've got some enthusiasm about the niche as well. But remember, you could use any niche as is possible to make money in, as long as it's got a couple of things. An audience to buy stuff, so it's got to be a really engaging audience, and also there's got to obviously be affiliate products within that market as well. So let's jump over to Google and just show you exactly how you can go and find products to sell. Okay, so if we come across to Google, one of the best ways obviously to search for affiliate programs is basically type in the niche that you were obviously looking to go through into. Now, obviously, I said obviously we've got health, wealth, and relationships. So I'm going to go totally off piece just to show you that there are many affiliate networks out there that you can actually go and research. So if we just put in dog and then affiliate programs. And then literally, if you come across here, it tells you, it goes on to different sites, like this one's got registered 40 best pet affiliate programs for 2022. If we actually scroll down, you might actually, there's this one here. So this is fitbark.com. You get an affiliate program there with 12% payout. There's another... says here you've got 12 best dog affiliate programs, 22 huge commissions. So like I say, it's very simple to actually go and join some of these affiliate programs. They're free to join normally, and you just sign up, and then you would get a special link and promotional materials that you can actually go and promote your products. So, and that's basically how you obviously can find different products for your niche. Some of the other ways of doing it is actually going into something like, for argument's sake, you've either got Clickbank, which is a massive affiliate network, and as you can see, once we sign in and go up here to Marketplace, and then within the marketplace, this is going to give you down the left hand side here. It is actually going to give you all the categories. Now, as you can see here, there's got business and investing, so that would be obviously to do with money. You've got e-business and e-marketing. You've got health, could be come under cooking, because it could be sort of diets and all that. You've got health and fitness here, home and garden. All those sort of things. So literally, if you come onto a place like this, let's go say health and fitness, and then we click on health and fitness as a scroll, as a subject, and as you can see here, this brings up so many different topics here. Okay, now, and this is the average money you're going to actually earn by promoting this offer. Okay, so that's $141. If you go to this one's $143. That one's $100 $19, which is called Java Burn. So as you can see, it's a dietary supplement. So you could actually earn money by promoting this. As you can see, there are loads and loads of different products here. Literally, all you have to do is come in, join the affiliate network. This one, obviously, Clickbank. Again, they're free to join, and there are loads of different affiliate networks out there. And you literally click, find the product you want to actually go and promote. Make sure you check it out. Go to their affiliate page, and they'll give you loads of tools which will help you promote it. And then all you've got to do literally is come up here and click on promote, okay, and then create hop link, and then that literally will create you your unique link, which is obviously encrypted link down the bottom here. Copy and paste, and then promote that link out. And that's what we're going to be showing you in the next step, okay? But before that, I just also want to show you another site that you can actually use, which is pretty good, especially if you're not quite sure how to get started and what niche to go into. But it's one that you probably already know, and it's actually called Amazon. Okay, Amazon has got its own affiliate program. So if you go onto the normal Amazon, your Amazon account, okay, and then you scroll right down to the bottom, and it actually says make money with us, okay, and it says sell on Amazon, etc, etc, but we want to actually come all the way down, and it says here associates program. Okay, so if we click on associates program, all you have to do is sign up for the associates program, and then that basically means that you're going to get access to the whole website full of Amazon products that you can promote. Now, the only disadvantage with Amazon is that the actual commissions are quite low. You might only range from about 4% up to 10%, but it's a great way of getting started. It's obviously free to get started, and obviously Amazon have got so many products that you can actually go and promote. Okay, so that's step one then. So choosing your niche and your product that you're actually going to want to actually promote. Now let's go into step two then of how and where you're going to possibly go and promote your product. Okay, so some of the places, the good places where you can actually go and promote for free would be things like Facebook. Obviously, if you've got a Facebook account, and maybe you might have a group on Facebook or a page on Facebook where you could obviously then promote your link. Okay, you could use it exactly the same on Twitter as well. So if you haven't got an account on Twitter, you can go and do that. Make sure you actually subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be doing marketing on all these platforms, guys. So you can then obviously get tips and tricks from me. I do more videos about marketing. I'm going to cover all these different platforms, and that includes obviously things like YouTube as well. And you can actually promote on YouTube even without having an actual account. So the only downside to some of these websites, obviously the social media sites, is some of them, if you are actually promoting affiliate products, then they do tend to find that sometimes they will block the affiliate links. There are ways around this, and we're going to cover this in just a second. But just remember that I know Twitter is probably okay, and I think Pinterest at the moment is doing affiliate links okay. YouTube is definitely okay with affiliate links. Facebook, on and off, so just be careful of that. Obviously with Instagram and TikTok and things like that, you are limited to what links you can put in there, but again, there are ways around it. And again, you need to check out some of my videos I'm going to be doing on Instagram and TikTok, etc., to help you understand how to go and do this. Now, you could also do things like forum marketing and things like that, which again I'll be covering in more videos. So there's loads of different ways you can actually start promoting your link out. If you've obviously got friends, someone could be interested in, you could text them. You could use your phone to text. You could also email people. And I'm going to get more into emails again very shortly. There are loads of different ways you can actually go and promote your affiliate links. Now, we are obviously looking at some free methods here. Now, if you wanted to actually spend some time and some money, you could build yourself a blog. Okay, now I've got 2 or 3 different blogs that I use for different sectors, and you could actually go and do that, and then you can actually send people from Facebook to an actual blog post. Okay, so therefore, and then you can actually review the blog, do a review article or something, and put your links within the blog. So therefore, you can still get traffic from Facebook, but via a blog. Okay, and the only thing with blog, you can set up free blogs, and there are ways to do that. But if you're going to have your own blog, you're going to need a little bit of hosting, and you're going to need a domain name to get up and running. But again, I will be going through that in some of my videos on my website here. So maybe just make sure you check out all the videos about blogging, etc. on this channel. Now, other things you could use as well, you could use solo ads, you could use Google ads, you could use Facebook ads to drive traffic to your links. Okay, but again, you've got to be very careful with that. I know solo traffic would be fine, but again, Google ads and that don't really like you driving traffic directly to affiliate offers. So step 3, guys. Now you don't have to take this step initially, but if you do want to obviously get up and running, and you can still do this for free to begin with, but what I would be doing is setting up what they call a landing page and starting to build an actual email list. Okay, and there's great advantages of doing this, especially with affiliate marketing and especially any marketing online, because obviously you can then gain people's email addresses where you could then promote to them via email whenever you like. So not only the product you're on now, you may be promoting, but you might have more products further down the line. Okay, so you could promote to them as well. So let's go and show you what you can actually use to go and create a landing page. Okay, so this is a landing page that I've got for my business, and I give away some cheat sheets of how to build, grow, and make money from your YouTube channel. And as you can see here, we've got a picture of the YouTube cheat sheets there, a little bit of a description, a couple of bullet points, and then they literally just put in their email address here and send me the cheat sheets. Okay, so this is the sort of thing you want to obviously try and build to then get people on your email list. So you obviously want to be giving away something that is to do with the product you are actually promoting. Now, with some of the products, you might actually find that they actually give you what they call lead magnets. Now, these YouTube cheat sheets are lead magnets that you can actually put out there to build your email list. Okay, so they might actually have some of those in place. Failing that, you can also easily make cheat sheets or even do a video, or even just you could use a newsletter even as a way of getting people onto your email list as well. But it really needs to be something that's obviously congruent with whatever offer you are actually dealing with. If you are promoting more than one thing, eventually, then you obviously do 2 or 3 different lead magnets to suit those different ways. Okay, but that's how easy it is. Now you can make these lead magnets in a couple of different ways. If you do actually have a website, a WordPress website, you could use a plugin called the Thrive Suite, where you can go and build pages just like this. And I'll be doing obviously more videos about this in future as well, so make sure you stay tuned. Or if you wanted to, you could also use something called Aweber, which is an email marketing system already there, all set up. So you're going to need something like Aweber to actually where to actually go and put your email addresses and where you can then obviously send people emails. And you can also build these types of pages straight in the back of Aweber. And you can actually go and get a free account for Aweber as well. So like I say, this can be totally free to get started. Although the free account will only last until you obviously grow your list by a certain amount. Or if you want more than one list in there, then obviously you do need to as a paid service after that. But it's only a few bucks a month. So there's nothing much to worry about there. Okay, so as you can see, it's a fairly simple process. But what I did say right at the beginning, that there is a program where you can actually go and start learning all about affiliate marketing, and at the same time using their products to actually earn commissions as well. And I'll put a link in the description below here. So click on that link and then follow the system through. There's loads of video training in there as well. They do free video training weekly. They do free Q&A sessions weekly as well. And if you obviously click the link below, you will get connected to me within the system as well. And I will actually be able to still be there to guide you through any questions and that you have as well. So make sure you check that out in the description below here as well. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. Also, don't forget to check out these videos before you go, and we will see you on the next video.